Hey guys, freelance writing was blogging. Let's talk about what is the best way to make money. In my opinion, those both ways are best ways to make money, but there has lot of pros and cons. So let's talk about one by one. At the end of this video, I will give 100% honest experience and my opinion about those both ways. So let's start with blogging. If you want to start a blog, you have to spend money on domain name and server. Then if you don't have skills or if you don't know how to build the website, maybe you have to hire someone. But you can use CMS software like WordPress and do it by yourself. So only you have to spend money to domain name and hosting. Also, if you run a blog, you have to select an specific niche and write article around that niche. I mean, if you write article about cooking and recipes, you have to stick only into those topics. If you write traveling articles on this cooking website, your readers will not like it and your website bounce rate will go high. So if you start a blog, you must stick into one niche. Also you have to write high quality article. You can use plugins like SEO Yoast or Rank Math to do on page SEO. Basically you have to write at least 2500 word of article and you have to add images, videos to your article. Also even you are write high quality article, you have to get traffic. If you want to get traffic to your article, you have to rank your traffic on search engines or you have to share your content on social media, because if you don't get any traffic to your website, you will not get any comment or you will not see any progress on your website. Also you will not able to monetize your blog by showing ads or affiliate marketing or any other ways. If you want to drive traffic via search engine, you have to build backlink and increase your domain authority. That means you have to share your link on trusted and quality places related to your niche. So if you increase your domain authority and write quality articles, search engine will rank your articles on top of their pages. Also you can drive social signals. That means you can share your link on Facebook groups or you can create Facebook group pages and build it. After that, share your link. Also you can use other social media platform like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit to get traffic. But so if you think you write article and you make money, that is not true, and you must have to drive traffic to your website. So it takes time. If you want to make money via blogging, you have to wait at least 6 months. So if you want to create stable income, you have to keep write quality articles and build quality backlink at least 2 years. But if you not care about money and you love to blogging, you will face those early obstacles and able to create stable website. When you get traffic to your blog, you can apply Google AdSense and you can get sponsors content. Also you can promote affiliate product or you can promote your own product. That is the way to make money via your blog, but it takes time. If you think you will make money in 1 month or 2 months via blogging, that is not true. You have to keep consistent at least 6 months to 1 year. So let's go to freelance writing. To become a freelance writer, you don't need to spend money because there has lot of freelance platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Upwork, freelance.com. So you can create free account on those platforms and promote your service. But at first you will not get lot of money to your work. I mean, if you charge $50 for 1 hour session or 1 hour of work, at first you will not able to charge $50 because you are new and there has lot of people sell their service for cheap price. At first you have to sell your service for cheap price and build quality profile. I mean, when you deliver high quality work, your customers or your clients will rate your service as 5 star and that will help to build your profile. When you you build your profile, you can increase your hourly rate and you can increase your charges that you charge for your work. So at first you have to sell your service for cheap and you have to build high quality profile. But when you build high quality profile, high quality customers will come to your profile and offer you lot of jobs. Also, if you want to be a freelance writer or freelancer, don't try platform like Fiverr, because in my experience Fiverr is great but you have to sell your service for cheap price. I am not recommend Fiverr as a freelance platform. Also, I already have video about this topic, feel free to check it. I will put the link in description. Instant join Fiverr, you can join platforms like Upwork, People Per Hour or freelancer.com. Then you will able to find high quality customers on those platforms. So it will help to provide high quality service and get quality payment for your service. Basically, if you want to become a freelancer, only you have to find other freelancers that sell your service on those platforms and reverse engineer their profile and their content. After that, build high quality profile, then apply for jobs. Definitely, if you read the request and send quality proposal, you will definitely get the job. So now it's time to find out what is the best way to make money. Personally, I do blogging, but I am not freelance writer, but I am a freelancer. So let's talk about what is the best way. If you want to make money fast and if you want to make part-time job or full-time job, definitely try to become freelance writer. You may think there has lot of competition, but believe me, competition is nothing in freelance platform. If you able to provide high quality service and send high quality proposal, definitely you will get the job. So manage your blog as a hobby or as a part-time job. That means you can do freelancing work in your full-time or part-time work and you can manage your blog as a hobby. So you can build high quality backlinks and write article in your free time. Over time your blog will get traffic and it will stable. After that you will able to make lot of money. So in freelancing, over time you will able to build quality profile and you will able to achieve financial freedom. Lot of people think if they do freelance they have to sell their service for cheap, but that is not true. You have to find high quality platform like Upwork and you have to provide your service because there has high quality customers. But if you try to find jobs on Fiverr, definitely you have to be cheap. It is not good for long term. Also, I am not saying you can't do anything on Fiverr. If you become a top rated seller on Fiverr, you can earn lot of money by selling your job. So this is the video. I hope you get something in this video. Basically my suggestion is do blogging as your hobby and do freelancing as your part-time or full-time job. So I hope you get valuable information in this video. I will see you in next time.